Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to talk about how to buy fabric. Some craft stores and general chain stores have fabric wrapped onto little tiny cardboard bolts that you can purchase pre-cut, or you can also purchase fabric online. However, perhaps the most common way of purchasing fabric for cosplayers is to go to a fabric store. And fabric stores have most of their fabric wrapped onto cardboard bolts like this one, and they will have a sticker on the end saying what the material is, the width, the price, the material content, all of that. If you're unsure of how to read a bolt, I made a video previously that goes more in depth into that sticker, so I will put a link to it in the description below. So once you have decided on your fabric, then it's time to get it cut. Stores may have a couple different ways to do it, but usually you will take a number, kind of like a deli, and then wait for your turn to be called to have your material cut. And it's always good to have an idea of how much you need before you get it cut, just so you don't end up just kind of waffling and making your decision while other people are waiting in line behind you, so that can make things a little awkward. So try and have the amount that you need planned beforehand. If you're unsure how much material you need, a general rule of thumb is that 3 yards is enough to make any one garment item. You can also, if you need, say, like a circle skirt, there are some online apps and calculators where you plug in your measurements and then it'll tell you how much material you need. Another option is to check the back of a pattern of a garment similar to what you're making, compare it to your size, and then use that as a guideline. If you're not sure how much fabric you need, you can always get a little bit extra. It's better to have too much than too little and then have to go back to the fabric store and get more. So once you have your fabric all cut, one thing I should mention is that if you are unsure of the price, definitely ask the employee before you have it cut, just so you don't end up accidentally paying more than you thought you were going to for the material. So once the material is cut, then they will either make a ticket for you that has all the information on it, or print out a little sticker and put that on your fabric for you to take up to the register. And if you only need a small amount of fabric, another option is to purchase a remnant. Usually stores have a bin of remnants. These are small pieces of fabric that are too small to go on a bolt, and they're often sold at a discount price. Another way you can save money when you are purchasing fabric is to plan ahead for what materials you need, and then you can check sale flyers or print out coupons to use on your material before you go to the fabric store, so that you're not paying full price. I hope you found this video helpful. If there are any other topics related to cosplay that you'd like to see me make a video about, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.